Hey, so I'm going to show you the products that I use in this video on to make my hair with frizz-free curls, heat-free, and just letting them air dry. But also these curls last literally about 4 to 5 days, and they just get better as the days go on. This is the brush that I'm using. I love using that brush, and wet brush makes some great products. And this right here is a wide tooth comb, and I pretty much already detangle my hair during the shampooing phase in the shower, and then I use a conditioner. By the time I get to the conditioning, everything is already detangled during the shampoo phase. And I always like to just use a real good shampoo and conditioner. I believe the one that I just tried this time was OGX. It was a keratin red bottle. I'll post it in my description down below or link it to this video. This is what I use, and I've been using for years throughout life. My mom used it in my head. It is actual olive oil by Pumpian, and I like using the extra virgin. I like to brush through my hair just a few times and brush from the roots all the way down to the ends. The closer I get into the roots, the less frizz I usually have. And then I try to always give it kind of like a curve so that way it curls in a really nice curl pattern. And then I use a little bit of noodle head, but I use just a little bitty pea-size amount on sections. So not too much because I don't want it to be crunchy feeling. I want it to be a real nice soft texture where the curls will fall if I put my hair up in a ponytail. It will fall the next day. Um, just give it a real flexible feel, and it also helps tame any kind of frizz flyaways. I use these clips as I go through each section to make sure that I'm combing, brushing out each part, so that way it's very smooth and all the products are getting in evenly. So I do a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of the noodle head, and then I brush through. And those are all the items that I use, and that's really good. This is my favorite section to do, is the back part of my head. These curls come out so pretty, and they are the ones underneath all my wild hair. But this side is really, really nice with the curls. As you can see, it's close to the camera. Um, and the bigger I make the chunks, sometimes the bigger the curls, and now you have to, when it dries up, usually I have to unravel them and make kind of section them off into separate curls. So like sometimes one big piece could turn into 3 or 4 curls. I just like to go back through the top of my head and make sure that the pieces are curling really nice. So that way I don't have to wet them and then curl them back with the brush. That's it, and that's how I do my curls. And these are the after photos. And again, it lasts for days. These are the products, and they're also in my Amazon store.